Hello everyone. So today I will explain very interesting topic like doc type declaration. Do you know about doc type declaration? If you don't know, so watch this video. After completing this video, you will know about what is doc type declaration. As usual, like in index.html, I'll show you. Like I'm just writing the code. Not here. Wait. New window. Let's say this file. Yeah. So you know you are you saw like doc type HTML. This line I am talking about. So this is like doc type HTML. So what is the meaning of that? Most of the time you use like just for shift and then one and then press enter and then it is printing doc type HTML. And in this first line we don't know about like what is the doc type HTML, but now in this video I will explain what is doc type HTML. Okay, so the main doc type HTML, doc type declaration in the sense is like it is writing doc type HTML, but it is a like doc type declaration. So a doc type declaration is the very first line in an HTML document. It tells the web browser which version of HTML the page is written in, helping the browser to render the content correctly. So a doc type declaration is the very first very first line in an HTML document. So it tells the web browser which version of HTML the page is written in, helping the browser to render the content correctly. Okay, so that is doc type declaration. So in modern HTML, like in HTML5, this is a standard declaration and it is short and case sensitive. Okay, so now I will explain. Yeah, so now I will explain importance of doc type declaration. Importance. So the first is standards mode versus Quirks mode. Standard mode versus quick. Quicks mode. So in that standard mode versus quick modes, it's like declaring doc type HTML ensure that browser render the page in standards mode following modern HTML CSS rules. Without it, browsers may switch quick modes, mimicking old rendering behaviors and potential breaking layouts. So that is the, and the second is cross cross browser consistency. So it helps ensure consistent rendering across different browsers by adhering the same standards. And the next is validation. So in that validation enables tools and validators to check your code against HTML standards, helping maintain clean and error-free code. And the next is performance. So in standards mode, browser can better optimize rendering and layout, improve performance. So that is the importance of doctype declaration. So now the next is why we use. We'll increase font. Like why we use. So in that we use the doctype declaration to tell the browser what version of HTML the page is using so it can display the content currently and consistently. Main reasons why we use doctype the to enable standards mode. Enable standards modes means like it forces browsers to render the page using the standard HTML and CSS rules instead of old non-standard Quirks mode. And the second is to avoid inconsistent behavior. Like without doctype, different browsers might render the same HTML differently, causing layout or style issues. And the next is for code validation. It allows validators like the W3C validator to check your code for HTML based on the specified HTML version. And the next is like better performance and SEO. You know about SEO, like search engine optimization. Properly rendered and validated pages load faster and more search engine friendly. So that's why we use doctype declaration. So that is the today video. I hope you understood like what is doctype declaration. If you have any doubts, so you can comment down, and if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.